How to choose who can see my last seen time. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit people who can see your last seen time on AMO app. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your AMO app, click on it. Once you are here, click on your profile up there. Now click on settings and click on privacy and click on last seen, which is the first option. Now who can see my last seen time? Like you see, I have my contacts only. You choose if you want everyone to see it, just your contacts, or nobody. So nobody can see your last seen, which is online and this stuff. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.